Hey guys, this is Teresa and today I'm going to do a CHIIKNII challenge with you once again. Now, I have a request to you guys that if you want me to do these videos continuously, a sneezing video, you will have to subscribe to my channel. Now the reason is because I have got a mail from YouTube stating that if I do not have 1K subscribers, my videos will be demonetized, which is very sad. And if that happens, then you know. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so you get more of me and more of the CHIIKNII. So today I'm going to start sneezing with CHIIKNII once again, and hopefully it works. This is the CHIIKNII powder. Okay, so let's begin. And yes, I have decided to give a gift hamper to my viewers. If they like this, if they subscribe to my channel, I will be giving 5 lucky people a gift hamper. So please guys, subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so let's wait. Oh my god. I'm not able to uh, just sneeze without keeping my hands because it happens so continuous that I can't really stop myself from sneezing. So my hand automatically goes. Alright, then I think that's about it. This is all, I think. One last, I guess. No, it's not happening. Okay, then I think that's all about it. Please guys, show some love to me. Subscribe to my channel. I need 1K subscribers. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.